Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone is ready and you're signed into the correct Google account. Open Settings, confirm iOS is up to date, and verify you can sign into your Google account. Once signed in, go to Mail, Contacts, Calendars, or Accounts depending on iOS version, and add the Google account if needed. Make sure Contacts Sync is toggled on. These steps ensure your device can request and download the contact list from Google without interruptions. Next, you will force a sync so your Google contacts appear on the phone. In Settings, find the Google account entry, then turn Contacts on and choose Sync Now or Fetch manually. If your iPhone asks, choose Merge so items from Google and the device combine instead of replacing. Once done, open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh. That triggers immediate download. If you have multiple accounts, set Default Account to Google to ensure new contacts save to that account going forward. Finally, verify that contacts are present by searching and scrolling. Pull to refresh again. If entries are missing, visit Google Contacts on a computer to check if they exist or look in the trash to restore deleted ones, then resync. If sync fails, sign out of the Google account on the iPhone, restart the device, sign back in, and re-enable contacts. This clears token issues. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure two-step verification or app-specific passwords are handled if sign-in is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.